welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm at a very special place, and this place is called Ramakrishna Kutir in Almora, and here is Swami Vivekananda. So recently I have been reading complete works of Swami Vivekananda, and recently a chapter came in where he was talking about his visit in Almora in 1890s, and he mentioned this place, he mentioned Kasar Devi, and we went to that place. Now we are here, so I'm feeling really blessed at this moment. And Swami Vivekananda himself visited this place, like he made sure that this spot becomes the Ramakrishna Kutir. So yeah, and this is in Almora district. Yay, Swami Vivekananda. Now I'm not sure how long we can take the camera with us, but so earlier I was thinking that so there's a possibility of staying here at the ashram as well, and earlier I was trying if that could be possible, but they were like, we don't allow single females as it can be dangerous or something. So I was like, I'm gonna come and visit anyway, if not stay. What is this? Ramakrishna Almora. How weird, not weird, but like how I was just reading about this back at my home, Swami Vivekananda's visit in Almora, and I had not decided to come here until a day before. But yeah, like things work out differently. Timings of the temple में तो कैमरा डेफिनेटली अलाउड नहीं है. So imagine if it was possible to stay here, you could be in this space for 2 complete days, be a part of the aarti and everything. Meditation practices. Sometime in the future, like life is long, hopefully, so we can come here sometime in the future. Swami Shivananda Kutir. Can visit that. Shivananda, as far as I know, if it's the same, Shivananda was the one who was मतलब स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के साथ ही he was equally contributing to establishing this place in Almora. मंदिर किस तरफ होगा भैया? मंदिर आके यार क्या परफेक्ट जगह डिसाइड की स्वामी विवेकानंदा ने. और मेरे लिए ना ये बहुत सरप्राइजिंग तो क्या, मैं बहुत फॉर्चुनेट फील करती हूँ कि even in the morning when I went to Kasar Devi, so Swami Vivekananda in the year of 1890s came to Kasar Devi, and the temple again picked up the pace, like a lot of spiritual aspirational people started coming after Swami Vivekananda. So I was there in the morning, and I'm like, how fortunate am I to be walking on the same path as my Swamiji has walked, and sitting in the same cave where he meditated. So even this right now, like in 1890, Swami Vivekananda must have walked here, and he has his full lessons here, and now I'm fortunate enough to be walking here as well. So definitely This is not allowed inside. I will be back.